Hey, I have seen that movie yesterday.
No. Say I saw that movie yesterday. We use the simple past with yesterday.
Oh, okay. Then I have finished my homework last night.
Better to say I finished my homework last night.
I have visited Delhi in 2022.
Since you mentioned a specific year, say I visited Delhi in 2022.
This grammar is confusing.
Don't worry, you're improving every day.
So when do I use have past participle?
Use the present perfect when the time isn't mentioned. For example, I have visited Delhi.
Let me try. I have eaten sushi.
Perfect. You didn't mention when, so that's correct.
What about I have met your brother yesterday?
Close. Say, I met your brother yesterday.
I think I'm finally getting it.
You are. Keep practicing, and soon speaking English will feel natural. Grammar rules used in the conversation. Thank you for watching.